Hi there, Melody from WTI. Every parent wants our kids to have fun, right? But no parent wants our kids to get hurt. That's why they need this protective equipment when they go motocrossing. This protective gear from Starknight Motor is the best. It's made out of PE toughness for the shell. It's got high elastic foam and velvet. It's breathable. It has excellent impact and abrasion resistance to keep the children having fun and not getting hurt. I love the fact that he feels so cool and confident when he's riding in his protective gear. Now, I also love that it's not a one-size-fits-all kind of thing because it has so many different adjustable buckles and straps. It's going to make sure that it gives them a nice, snug fit. This protective gear is perfect for any kind of racing. If you're riding a motorcycle, skateboarding, skiing, skating, snowboarding, anything to do with the outdoors, the kids are going to love the look and the feel of this, and so will we as parents. So when they ask you to go biking, go ahead. Just put on your protective equipment. And that's our point of view.